Hi, for those who just subscribed to my channel, hi, my name is Adrian Hills and I basically do makeup tutorials on here like this. Ooh, yes, yeah, she's a woman. If you want to watch how I did this look, then keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below, and follow me on Instagram. I'll just post my Instagram right here. Yeah, right there. Go follow me because I'm more active. Oh, she's a woman. She's a woman. She's a woman. I'm going to be using this Morphe palette. Ooh. And I'm gonna open it. Okay, I'm gonna open it, honey. Right here, right here. And this is gonna be my transition shade. Okay, honey. And you're just going to just. Oh my god, that's so red. I put myself in the eye, bitch. Oh. Oh, that hurt. Oh, now it started to water. Oh my god. Cut. You know, off camera I did the cut crease, and I'm going to just use the same color and blend it. Hopefully I am in focus, honey. Yes, 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 yes. And it gives you that shine, that boom, that fabulosity. You know, that fabulosity. I love adding more. When people say less is more, no. I want more. I want more, 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 more. And I'm going full coverage. Cover up the beer. Oh, yeah, get it together. Yeah, beat my face. Beat my face. Ooh, beat my face, man. That's a woman. Oh, woman, woman. Oh my god. Right back, let me go get my eyelashes and we'll be right back, okay, honey? Because I don't want to do that on camera and, you know, it's I'm finished! She's here! Hi, mermaids! Thank you for watching this whole video with me, with my transformation. Hopefully I am in focus. Am I giving ooh la la? Am I giving you fabulosity? Look at. This is my new wig. I love it. So much for watching this video with me. I mean, you know what I mean. You know, you came here and to chill with and stuff. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time with a new makeup tutorial. And remember, always like Anastasia. And remember to follow me on Instagram. It's right here. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Anyways, bye. Love you. Salay.